Hey there, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to share with you how you can step by step use the Xiaomi C200 and how you can set it up. So the first thing that you want to do is that you're going to get a cable with it. What we have to do first is have to put the cable right here. But the one thing I wanted to share first is that if you are going to take it up like this, here you're going to find the option to add an SD card, and also you're going to find a reset button there. So in the future, if you want to reset it, you will know what it is. Now here, I'm just going to add it and connect it. And what will happen is going to start blinking, like being orange. The orange means it's going to wait for connection. Now, the first thing that you want to do, it's going to also move like this. You want to go to Google Play. And on Google Play, you want to press here and write Xiaomi camera, and then you're gonna have MI home there. So when you're gonna have the MI home, this is the Xiaomi camera. I already downloaded the app. I just wanted to show you how it's called. So this is how it's called, and you just want to click open here. And right here, when you're gonna be, what you have to do is pretty simple. You can either scan the QR code or you can connect it with Bluetooth. Now, I recommend connecting with Bluetooth because that procedure was much quicker and faster. So what I'm going to do is go to top right, then add a device. And here you are going to, when you're going to turn on the Bluetooth, and you're going to create your own account. If you didn't create your account yet, just create an account, stop this video, and then continue with me. So what I did is that I went to top right, plus, add the device, and I choose this device here. Now what you have to do is to turn on the mobile hotspot, select Wi-Fi, and just gonna wait here until it's going to load, because I'm just waiting for mine. Oh, so I get it right here, and I'm going to click next now. And now what I have to do, I just press connect device. Connected. Now I have to scan the QR code from the back, so it's going to get connected to Wi-Fi. So you want to do the same, just scan it like this. And it's connecting. Do you see that? So right now it's connecting. Now it's got connected. Okay, now it works. Now I'm just going to set the room. Add the name. And here I got it. So I accept. And now let me show you what you can actually do with it. So right here, we see that the camera is working. So I will show you how you can use it when you're going to have it set it up. So first thing, you can go full screen here. And what you can do is that, look here. So I can, here, whatever is happening, then you can also move it. So that's something you can do. Then also you can take pictures. You can record videos if you want to. You can have the camera right here. I mean the microphone that you can talk to camera. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And right now I just heard the camera there. Then when you're gonna go further, here you are going to find option to take pictures or record the video. So I can click here and I'm going to take a picture, and then you're gonna have surveillance. So surveillance is for whatever would be like happening, then you would get like notification. So that's something you can also enable. And then you're gonna have a playback where you're gonna find like in your home, in your cloud or SD card. And then you're gonna have storage management. So where you're gonna have the cloud, but you have to subscribe to it if you want to. Then you're gonna have the local when you have like your own pictures and everything. And then the SD card where you have things downloaded. So that's pretty much it, how it works. And that's like the whole app. Now let me show you how it looks. And I hope it's going to look also amazing for you. And that's pretty much it. So thank you very much for watching. Hope and great day, and goodbye.